Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Natural Cures Unveiled. Today, we've got something truly fascinating to talk about. Have you ever wondered if a small seed could hold the secret to better health? Well, you're in for a treat because in this video, we're going to uncover the hidden treasures within one of nature's most underestimated gems. That's right. I'm talking about pumpkin seeds, and trust me, they're more than just a seasonal snack. They pack a powerful punch when it comes to boosting your well-being. So, grab a comfy seat and get ready to be amazed because today, we're going to dive deep into the surprising power of pumpkin seeds for your health. Now that we're all geared up to explore the incredible world of pumpkin seeds, let's start by taking a look at their impressive nutritional profile. Pumpkin seeds are like nature's multivitamin, packed with an array of essential nutrients that can benefit your health in countless ways. Let's break it down. First up, vitamins. Pumpkin seeds are a fantastic source of several important vitamins, including vitamin E, which is known for its antioxidant properties, and various B vitamins like folate and niacin, which play key roles in energy metabolism. But that's not all. These tiny powerhouses are also rich in minerals. In fact, they're one of the best plant-based sources of magnesium, which is crucial for muscle and nerve function, bone health, and even relaxation. And let's not forget about zinc, which supports a healthy immune system, and iron, which helps transport oxygen in your blood. All of these minerals come together in a delicious and convenient package. Speaking of which, did you know that pumpkin seeds have a rich history as a healthy snack? They've been enjoyed for centuries in various cultures around the world. In fact, Native Americans were among the first to recognize the nutritional value of pumpkin seeds, using them not just for sustenance, but also for their medicinal properties. Today, you can find pumpkin seeds in a wide range of forms, from roasted and seasoned snacks to pumpkin seed oil used in cooking and skincare. The versatility of these seeds is truly remarkable. So, whether you enjoy them as a crunchy snack, sprinkle them on your salads, or incorporate them into your recipes, pumpkin seeds have a long-standing history as a nutritious and tasty addition to your diet. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, quite literally, as we explore the incredible health benefits of pumpkin seeds. First up, let's talk about heart health. Pumpkin seeds are like little heart heroes. They contain phytosterols, which are compounds that can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. But that's not all. Pumpkin seeds also have blood pressure-lowering effects. Thanks to their magnesium content, they can help relax blood vessels, leading to healthier blood pressure levels. Now, let's dive into their antioxidant properties. Pumpkin seeds are a rich source of antioxidants, including vitamin E and various phytochemicals. These antioxidants help combat inflammation in the body, which is linked to numerous chronic diseases. Next up, weight management. If you're on a journey to shed a few pounds, pumpkin seeds can be your trusted companion. They're packed with fiber and healthy fats, which can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing the urge to overeat. Last but not least, let's discuss their digestive benefits. Pumpkin seeds are a great source of dietary fiber, which is essential for a healthy gut. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, prevents constipation, and supports overall digestive well-being. So, there you have it, folks. Pumpkin seeds are a true powerhouse when it comes to your health. They promote heart health, fight inflammation, assist with weight management, and keep your digestion in check. Now that we've covered the incredible health benefits of pumpkin seeds, let's explore some surprising and unexpected uses of these little wonders. First up, did you know that pumpkin seeds can work wonders for your skin? Pumpkin seed oil, extracted from these seeds, is a treasure trove of nutrients for your skin. Skincare products infused with pumpkin seed oil can help moisturize your skin, reduce inflammation, and even combat acne. The vitamins and fatty acids in pumpkin seed oil make it a natural choice for healthy, radiant skin. But here's a delightful surprise: pumpkin seeds can also be brewed into a soothing tea. This tea isn't just comforting, it can also serve as a natural remedy for certain conditions. For instance, pumpkin seed tea is known for its potential benefits in supporting prostate health in men. It contains compounds that may help maintain a healthy prostate. Now, let's talk about a delicious twist. Pumpkin seeds can be ground into a creamy and nutty spread known as pumpkin seed butter. Move over, peanut butter. Pumpkin seed butter is not only a tasty alternative to traditional nut butters, but it's also a fantastic source of plant-based protein, making it a favorite among vegans and those with nut allergies. And here's one more surprise. Pumpkin seed extract supplements are gaining popularity for their potential benefits in promoting bladder and urinary tract health. So, whether it's enhancing your skincare routine, sipping on a comforting tea, or adding a new twist to your breakfast, the versatility of pumpkin seeds goes far beyond snacking. These unexpected uses not only showcase the diverse applications of pumpkin seeds but also demonstrate their continued relevance in our quest for health and well-being. Now that you're excited about the incredible benefits and versatility of pumpkin seeds, let's dive into how you can easily incorporate them into your daily diet. First, consider adding pumpkin seeds to your favorite trail mix. Mix them with other nuts, dried fruits, and even a touch of dark chocolate for a delicious and energy-boosting snack. Pumpkin seeds can also make a nutritious addition to your morning smoothie. Just toss a handful into your blender along with your favorite fruits and some yogurt for an extra boost of protein and fiber. For a delightful crunch in your salads, sprinkle toasted pumpkin seeds on top. They add texture and a nutty flavor that pairs perfectly with greens and vinaigrette. When it comes to breakfast, try stirring pumpkin seeds into your oatmeal or yogurt. They'll not only enhance the taste but also provide that much-needed morning energy. Now, here's a fantastic idea: make your own pumpkin seed pesto. Blend pumpkin seeds, fresh basil, garlic, olive oil, and a bit of Parmesan cheese for a flavorful pasta sauce or dip. If you love granola bars, why not make your own at home? Pumpkin seeds can be a star ingredient in homemade granola bars, providing protein and a satisfying crunch. For dinner, get creative by using crushed pumpkin seeds as a crust for chicken or fish. It adds a unique flavor and a crispy texture that's simply irresistible. And don't forget about pumpkin seed butter. Spread it on whole grain toast, mix it into your oatmeal, or use it as a dip for fresh fruits. Lastly, how about a pumpkin seed and kale salad? Toss together chopped kale, roasted pumpkin seeds, cranberries, and your favorite dressing for a nutrient-packed meal. The possibilities are endless when it comes to incorporating pumpkin seeds into your daily meals and snacks. So, go ahead and get creative in the kitchen. Before we wrap up this exploration of pumpkin seeds, it's essential to touch on a few precautions and potential concerns. First and foremost, it's important to be aware of potential allergies. While pumpkin seeds are generally safe to consume, some individuals may experience allergic reactions, particularly if they have a seed or nut allergy. In rare cases, overconsumption of pumpkin seeds may lead to digestive discomfort. They are high in fiber, so if you're not used to consuming fiber-rich foods, it's best to introduce them gradually into your diet to avoid any discomfort. Additionally, if you have a sensitivity to seeds or a history of diverticulitis, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before adding pumpkin seeds to your diet. As with any dietary changes, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider or nutritionist, especially if you have specific health concerns or conditions. Your health is unique, and what works well for one person may not be suitable for another. So, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional for personalized guidance and advice. With that said, I hope you're as excited as I am about the incredible potential of pumpkin seeds for your health. When consumed mindfully and in moderation, they can be a valuable addition to your diet. Thank you for joining me on this journey to uncover the surprising power of pumpkin seeds. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. Please comment below if you have any questions. Remember to stay curious, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.